Yeah.
And Mommy did it too, but I got a gift, right?
You got a little surprise for doing such a good job. All right, open that and see what it is.
Kind of hard after getting your teeth pulled.
Open from the front, like right. Let me help you, like that.
I wanted the set.
Have you ever seen that one before?
I have.
Oh, we didn't know if you've even ever seen it.
So we bought it on Mercari.
What set is it? Show it to me.
So that one side is open.
Yeah. It is Merida, and it says it's Merida's Highland Games. So we'll have to build that one today,
Look
right?
on the back of it. Look on the back of it.
Yeah.
It has her little brothers.
Oh, wow.
Her little brother.
Cool.
And also 2 potion butter to try to make him turn back into a little brother.
Ooh,
Yeah. All right. Should we go home so you can open it?
Yeah.
All right.
So I'm gonna open this now. This set.
All right. Merida's Highland Games.
I recorded me and get it, right?
Yes. Yeah, we already showed you getting it. Now you're going to start to build it.
What's that?
I don't know.
You need to have some of this set. Oh yeah, the instruction book. That's
Okay.
good.
It's always good to have the instruction book. Otherwise, we got to find it online. So this over here. So first you're going to build the minifigs, right?
Oh, that again.
Sounds like a low battery.
You don't know what that was, right? You don't know what that is, right?
Right.
It looks... I have to undo this.
Oh, they already put together?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
But now, look at her, Merida.
Let's see. 3.
And then I'm putting the next part on. I hope that won't beep again, right?
I think you'll be okay.
Really?
Yeah.
They're squeaking me up if they did it.
Yeah, that's just a...
But then I need to make her...
Sometimes smoke alarms give you a little reminder to test them. Because if these Merida's Highland Games get out of control, there could be a fire, so... Right?
Yeah, and look,
Or is that not true?
maybe not. And look, we have Merida.
Well, let's see.
Where's the brother? Here's the brother.
There's Merida.
Here's a brother.
There's one brother.
2 little brothers.
2 little brothers.
And 3 little brothers.
Oh, but you know, Merida looks like she's missing something in her hand.
I just found something about it. Look, her bow and arrow.
Yeah, she's not complete without her bow and arrow.
Just figure out how do you put this.
Look at the picture that will show you. See if you can match the picture there.
Oops. To get like the
If you do it the wrong way, she'll shoot the arrow at herself. Right? Or at the person behind her, maybe.
or the ground.
Or the ground.
There, she did it.
Oh, you did it. Good job. Guess you didn't need my help after all.
But they just oh yeah, I should do that.
Oh no. Guess you do need my help. Oh, you got it?
There, I just did. Oh, no. No. I got it. There, I did it.
Okay, let's set her next to
Now
her brothers.
I can angle it. You can't angle it.
Oh, you can angle it any way you want.
See, you're supposed to do it unsideways.
Well, you did it, not me.
I know. Mushroom. This is a mushroom.
Alright, so now you've got the minifigs, which is just her plus her 3 little brothers. Easy minifigs. Now it's time to build the whole thing, right?
Yes. Right?
Right.
I don't know why I'm laughing about it though.
Yeah. And here we go.
So now we did it, right?
Yep, we got it all built. Let's take a closer look here.
Wait, no, I need to put these magic potion bottles on the roof.
Okay, so we got
Yeah.
the target for shooting practice.
And
got-
a stump.
We got the
The
little
stump.
fish cooking over the
Stump.
fire.
The stump right here.
Yeah, there's a mushroom and the stump. Yep, with the tree.
No, they're just a stump.
Just a
and
stump,
mushroom.
yeah. Well, it used to be a tree.
And this
And then you can catapult the cookies, right?
catapult. And also this is fish is roasting, right?
Yeah.
And there's a little teeny weeny waterfall.
Yep.
And now I'm gonna show you the inside.
Yeah, you want to turn it around so we can see the
this.
inside?
This pasta first. You're supposed to go walk
Oh, walk through the door.
No.
Oh, and then when the flag falls off, you just put it back on. Right?
That's part of the story, right?
I think so. The flag falls off. I think it happens in the movie, right?
No, it doesn't.
No, probably not.
It just that's our story. And then you went inside.
All right, what do we got inside here?
This roast this needs to do that.
Oh, there's like the turkey leg there, and there's the light there, and there's the tapestry on the wall. Do you see the tapestry? Where's Merida gonna do? Where's Merida gonna do with it?
Nothing.
Did she cut it in half?
In the
Right?
movie she did.
Yeah,
Why?
because she was mad. Remember?
Yeah.
She was mad at her mom.
If you guys didn't notice, notice.
All right, so and then there's these blue potions we decided at the top.
The daddy thought there was.
I thought they were the wisps from the movie, but apparently they're just blue potion bottles.
Can we pretend there's a wisp because there are no actual potion bottles?
Well, there might be potion bottles. We'd have to watch the movie.
I know, but there are no. Potion
Oh, and what's this
bottles.
over here? What's the last things? We showed these last time, but here's the three bears. Three little brother bears.
Brother Bear.
All right, so what do you think of this set, Scarlett? Again, this is the Highland, Merida's Highland Games. What do you think? All right, so this is a highly recommended set, right?
What?
Highly recommended set.
Yeah. Oh, Merida land under the blanket. And I'm going to show you one secret in this set.
All right, what's the secret?
You know what? See this? You think it's just a vine?
Oh yeah, just some vines. That are...
But look. Hold on. There's a key actually.
Oh, there's the key.
Remember why did the dad lock her in the movie?
So that she wouldn't keep acting crazy. You know, whenever you have teenage daughters, you gotta lock them up, right?
I think because he does because of that he doesn't want to get hurt. He doesn't.
That's right. He doesn't want to get hurt by the bear, huh?
But he knew that bear was who it is. That's the mom.
He didn't know. Only Merida knew.
Why?
Because they thought it was just a bear.
Trying to tackle everybody?
Yep.
Why?
You know, because that's what bears do, I guess.
Bye. Thanks for watching Skirts Kids. Bye.
Was that Merida?
Yeah.
And bye, Merida.
Subscribe and like.